He's always probing the boundaries of his powers and what he can or cannot do. And
Mhm.
unfortunately for us, the Supreme Court went along with him on s- few critical cases. For example, the, the declaration of martial law,
Mhm.
the decision of the Supreme Court, uh, precisely to defer to him on what we call the sufficiency of the factual basis for declaring martial law.
Mhm.
By deferring to him and say he's the one who knows what the facts are,
Mhm.
and therefore we should give him the benefit of that. And and in fact, the Supreme Court even said even if it turned out to be wrong in his appreciation of the facts, he was the one closest to the ground. The Supreme
Mhm.
Court abdicated the power it was given by the Constitution to decide on a factual basis, sufficiency of factual basis. Usually, the Supreme Court decides on questions of law, and this is
Mhm.
an exception where it's supposed to go into questions of fact, which the Supreme Court did not do.
Do you think, Attorney Monsod, that the presidency of Duterte has also paved the way, or the way he has handled the presidency and used its powers, is paving the way, or could also give new powers to the incoming president, President-elect Marcos?
Well, I think the Supreme Court decisions is a bad precedent for the for the next administration, because as I said, now martial law can be declared uh, anywhere in the Philippines at any time, given the circumstances that allowed Duterte to extend martial law beyond the 60 days, and he extended it, if you recall, twice, long after the Marawi so-called situation had already been solved or addressed. There still was martial law in Mindanao, isn't it? And that to me is a very bad precedent
Mm.
uh, that can be used by um, the next administrations, the Supreme Court decision. You cannot have system of checks and balances when you have weakened an institution by the quality of your appointments. And the best example to me of that is that the ombudsman, uh, in his early decisions, seemed to be more concerned about protecting government officials from criticism than he is of protecting the rights of the people against abuses of government. The ombudsman is supposed to protect the people against the government and not the other way around.